Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how you can make $150 every time on Fiverr. Now that sounds like a big claim, but it is true, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do as we go along in this video. The other thing I'm going to show you, so keep watching, is how you can double, triple your income on Fiverr with my secret method. So keep watching the video and I will reveal all as we go along. So in this video, I'm going to show you where to go, how to get started. Anyone can do this, guys. You can do it over and over again, and it works worldwide. Now, this is not one of these quick push a button, make money methods. This is a long-term business. This could easily turn into a full-time business for you. And I'm going to show you as we go along how I made $6,000 using this exact system. I'm going to show you my Fiverr account. I'm going to show you the money to prove that it works. No one else does that on the internet. They all claim to make money on Fiverr. They don't. I'm a Fiverr expert, guys. I've been doing it for a long time and I will show you it works. And today I'm going to reveal one of my biggest secrets as we go along into the video. So keep watching until the end. I'll show you exactly how I made $6,000. I'm going to show you a great method where you do no work, but you get the money, okay? And I'll show you my secret method to double your income and turn this into a passive long-term business. Now, before we do that, guys, I need you to do a couple of things for me. In fact, I need you to do 4 things. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, leave a comment. Subscribe, bell, like, comment. That's what I need you to do. It helps me out. It helps my YouTube channel. And it helps everyone else. Leave a comment below the video and I will answer it personally. If you've got any questions about Fiverr or any questions about anything to do with affiliate marketing, drop it below and I will answer the question for you. And please, guys, hit the subscribe and hit that bell for me. It massively helps me out and it helps the YouTube algorithm and that makes me make more videos. So enough of me. Let's get on with this method and let's get you making some money. So guys, the first place we're going to go is obviously Fiverr, which is fiverr.com. There's a link below the video here. Now you probably know what this is. It's a platform where people buy and sell things. But like I said, I'm going to show you my actual account because everyone's on here saying we make money on Fiverr, but they don't. They don't. They're liars. But I do. So this is my earnings here, 5,166. Now that's pounds, guys. So that's $6,000, about $300, $400. I've done 959 orders. My average selling price is $695. And my world domination is 29%. 51 sales in Canada, 530 in the United States, 1 in Brazil, 1 in Ecuador, 1 in Nicaragua, 1 in Venezuela, 2 in Argentina. You know, it goes on. 4 in Russia, 10 in France. Britain's not showing up. Norway, Sweden, Germany, Morocco, you know, Nigeria, South Africa, all over the place. I sell worldwide, okay? I sell worldwide. And just to show that I know what I'm talking about, all right? These are some of my stats. My response rate, 100%. Order rate, 100%. On-time delivery, 100%. Orders, 100%. Oh, there you go, $6,436 it equates to. And I've not had any warnings. So that is my Fiverr account, all right? So I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm doing. So obviously Fiverr, there are hundreds and hundreds of different gigs on here. Tons and tons of gigs. If you look at some of my old videos, I recently done one showing the #1 gig to sell on Fiverr. Have a look at that one when you finish watching this. And that one made me a lot of money. But like I said, as we go along, I'm going to show you my #1 way of making money on Fiverr. All right, and it's a really good method, and you can use it as a real business. But we'll come on to that in a minute. So, how do we make some money on Fiverr? We're going to go down the arbitrage route. Okay, so jump onto Craigslist, guys, wherever you are, and when you get onto Craigslist, go down to gigs here. Now, what you're going to type in here, I'm going to just do logo as an example, right? Hit logo. So all these people on here are looking for logos to be made, all right? So logo design, let's click this one. A production company seeks a designer to alter an existing logo. $30 flat. All right, so they're looking at $30 to for somebody to design that logo for them. All right. This one here, logo designers wanted. Looking for a graphic designer who can do all that. I'm not going to read it all. I like this one actually. Graphic designers wanted for long-term work. You know, so what you would do is find a gig. Let's just go back to this one then. They're looking, sorry, not that one. They're looking for pay $30. So you contact him, say, yeah, what's the logo? I can do it. You then go to Fiverr. As you know, we're going to type in, sorry, I've moved the screen around a bit. We're going to type in logo there. And then find somebody who does a logo for $5, which you can do here, 5. And then find out how the logo needs changing, and then just copy one of these guys. Say, look, can you do it? They'll do it for $5. They're charging $30. You make about $20 in your pocket. Super, super easy. And that's just for one go, guys. You could do this over and over again on Craigslist. It's not just logos. I mean, I've done logos just because it's easy. Go back to gig. You can type in SEO. You know, these people are looking for SEO people. Anything on Fiverr, you know, graphic design, you know, looking for graphic design or an artist. You can find someone on Fiverr do that. Website. Well, website design is another good one. You know, people need someone to design my website today, $50. Social media marketing, need somebody for WordPress development. That's a good one. You could easily find someone on Fiverr for that and charge a lot of money. Easy WordPress site, landing pages need some help. Bang. You know, it goes on and on and on. And use Fiverr. Now, the other place you can use is Upwork.com. So go to Upwork.com. Again, type in something. I've typed in logo, and all these people here are looking for logos. All right. I need a graphic designer for my logo. I want a logo. You know, contact these people. What do you want? Go on to Fiverr and do it. It is that easy to make money on Fiverr. I've done this. I used to do this a lot, and I was easily making $100 a day. Easy making $100 a day, and you can do it too. Now, like I said, there is another way of doing all this, and that is to turn Fiverr into a full-time business. I've brought out a course called Fiverrlicious. Okay, this is my course here. I've sold over 2,500 copies of this, and today I'm doing it for $10 as a special offer. It's normally $20. And this gives you 8 videos, an overview, let's get started, Fiverr levels, outsourcing, putting it together, gigs, using videos, and my gigs. Now, I show you another secret website in here is where I get all my work done. I never completely gig myself. I outsource everything. And if you get this, I will show you my secret site of where to do it. There's 8 videos here where I show you everything, how to set it up, how to design it, what I actually sold, how I make money. You can do all this too, okay? You can do all this too with Fiverrlicious. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a business in a box. Now, if you go over to my website, bobbydonlinemarketing.com, the link is below. You can pick this up for $9.95. This is my review on it. There's loads of feedback on there. There's positive reviews on there, and I'm giving you loads of bonuses as well. I'll give you my secret traffic method, online affiliate, social media domination, my own product here, Flipperton, where I buy domains for $10 and sell them for $125. 20-minute tactics, my own course, Traffic Marketing Pro, how to set up WordPress, YouTube Blueprint, Fiverr tips and tactics, and free web traffic. You grab Fiverrlicious from me today for $10. I'm giving you over £200 worth of dollars of product for free as well. It is ludicrous. And I'm doing that today for you guys. If you hit the subscribe, hit the like, comment, and hit the bell for me, you're going to get all that as well. So that is it from me. That is another quick method to make money on Fiverr. I'm Bobby D. See you in the next video. Cheers, guys. I really appreciate it.